Hey everybody, welcome back to Cookhouse. Uncle Bud here. We're down at the beach today, down at the beach house. You can see this is not the normal kitchen. Me and the boys down here for the weekend. But it don't mean we won't stop cooking. In fact, we're going to take advantage. It's nice and quiet and get about 4 episodes in. First, we're going to do a little method. Chicken wings I saw called 0 to 400. Now basically, if you have a pellet smoker, pellet grill, whatever you call it, you start it off at whatever ambient temperature outside is. Put your wings on, set to 400. You take 1 hour to finish your wings. Halfway through, flip them. Supposedly the best wings you ever had. We're going to find out. So we're doing real simple this week. I got some bunch of chicken wings. There's things here already cut up. But I left one here. Show you a quick way to, it's always cheaper to buy the whole wings. So real quick, just pop that little knuckle right there. 1 cut, 2 cuts, chicken wing done. And since we're at the beach, we're doing a little crabbing. Save your wingtips for the crab pot. Pretty good. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so you can see we got the pellet here almost ready to go. We got to turn it on, but first we got to get these wings now. You can see I got these seasoned with some Nashville hot seasoning. Maybe down here. Are we down here? There we are. Yeah, though. I got the water in the background. It's beautiful. Ain't that nice? We'll do some crabbing there a little later. We're going to lay these out here. We'll start this, like I said, 400. Just let it roll. Half hour, and we'll flip. Another half hour. These be mighty, mighty tasty. Alright, so, a little surprise here. The method works good. But you got to be aware what type of pellet smoke you're using. The one we have is a, what's that, Bullseye from Rectech. Now that one's meant for high temp cooking, so it got that 400 like that. So these only went for half hour. Now if you got like a Traeger or Pit Boss, one of the more traditional type ones, you can go with that 1 hour rule. But as you can see, super quick, beautiful mahogany color. I'm gonna take a little bite here. You can see they're all the way through clean. Got some spice from the Nashville rub. That's mighty tasty. Wonderful. I appreciate y'all sticking with us. Tell your mom and them, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Get your friend to subscribe. Subscribers help a ton. Don't cost you nothing. Free, gratis, all the way. We'll see you next time.